Sometimes when you need to submit an assessment or task, it may involve a number of parts or files instead of just one single file. This presentation will demonstrate two methods for submitting multiple files for marking using a folder structure. Before we begin, it is important to note that each file upload is limited to 10 megabytes. If your electronic file submissions are larger than this, you should talk to your teacher or facilitator. In this task submission, 9 separate files are needed to be uploaded by the due date. Begin by opening up the file upload facility. Click on Add Submission. And then select the second icon in the top left of the Upload Facility window to create a folder and give that folder a name. In this case, we will call it Task 1 to 9. And then click the button Create Folder. A new folder is now created. It is empty. Click on that empty folder and it will now be open. And then you can click in on the single upload icon in the top left of the upload facility to upload the single files. So now I'm just going to click the Browse button and browse to where my files are located. And select the first one to be uploaded and double click and then click Upload this file. And the first file is now in the folder called Tasks 1 to 9. Continue this process till all 9 are uploaded. I have paused the recording and gone through and recorded or uploaded the 8 tasks, and I'll just finish uploading number 9. So remember, click on the single file upload, click Browse, find your task, double click on it, click Upload the file, and now all 9 tasks are in the folder, and click Save Changes. Now all of those could be uploaded over a number of days or weeks depending on when the due date is for the task. And once you are satisfied with all of the tasks added there, you need to click Submit Assignment. Once you do this, the assignment goes from being draft to being submitted, and you can no longer make any changes, and the teacher is then able to mark your work. Now I'll demonstrate another way to submit the same files in one upload. What you need to do is complete all your tasks so that they're stored in a folder. Now this only suits where the files are not being uploaded one at a time over a number of days. This is much better suited to where all the files have been completed and are ready to be uploaded at once. Begin by clicking Add Submission. Again, click to add a new folder or create a new folder and give it a name. So once again, we'll call it Task 1 to 9 and we'll create the folder. Again, click on the newly created folder and now click the single file upload and browse. So I'm just going to browse to the files. So if we now browse to where that folder of files is kept and right click on that folder of files and send to compressed zip folder, it will now give us a compressed file of work, and we double click on the compressed file twice or double click and click Upload this file. It will upload what is called the zip file or the compressed file. You need to click on that compressed file and select the button that says Unzip. You can now delete the zipped file, so click on it again and click Delete to remove the zipped file that you uploaded to begin with, and click OK. And if you now click on the folder that is left behind from unzipping, you'll see that all the files are there. So that's a much easier method than adding them